In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Basecamp. This is really useful when a teammate leaves your company, a contractor's project wraps up, or you simply need to clean up your account and limit access. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Basecamp account as we go. First, you'll need to head over to an area in Basecamp called Admin Land. Start on your main Basecamp screen. From here, click the Home button or click on your profile picture at the top of the page if you see that option instead. In the top right corner of the Home area, look for a link called Admin Land. Go ahead and click that. Admin Land is where all the account-wide settings live, including people management, so you'll need to be here to remove someone fully. Once you're in Admin Land, the next step is to find the person you want to remove. Look for the option that says Add/Remove People or Change Their Access, or in some versions, it might say Manage People. Click that link. This will take you to a list of everyone who currently has access to your Basecamp account, including team members, guests, or clients, depending on how your account is set up. Now scroll through the list or use the search box if there is one, and locate the person you want to remove. When you find them, look to the right of their name for a small three-dot menu or sometimes an edit link. Click that menu or link. This opens up the detailed settings for that specific user, where you can adjust their access or remove them completely. In the user's settings, choose the option labeled Edit Info. Once that page opens, scroll down until you see a button that says either Remove User Completely or I want to remove this person from my account. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Basecamp version, but both mean the same thing. You're about to remove this person from the entire account, not just from a single project. When you're ready, click that button. Basecamp will then guide you through a confirmation step. Carefully review the prompts, since removing someone is usually permanent and will revoke their access to your projects and messages. Confirm your choice, and once you do, that person will be fully removed from your Basecamp account. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from Basecamp and tightened up your account's access.